Hey guys, just wanted to show you real quick. I have been having so many problems with this lock right here. This one right here. I don't know if you can see it. But I was able to fix a little bit of it. I mended a little, but it has been really thin, like up in here and right here. I have added like a little bit of weave to just a portion of it. So it do look a lot thicker, but I am just going to go ahead because this lock right here and this not even this lock, I'm not going to lie and say this side, but this side has been a thorn in my side since I started, like since I started my lock journey, because my edges were really thin. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to just make this into one. I hate that I got to make this into one, and I'm going to make this into one. So guys, if you ever start your own locks, I'm gonna go this way. If you ever start your own locks, please make sure you add enough hair to your hairline, because this hairline is so important. And then it's like it looks cool, but it just won't act right. I've been having so many problems with it. So I am about to and I had to cut it one time too because it was so long. So I'm actually just about to combine it to this one. And I'm going to combine these because I want to make sure both of them are the same on each side. So a thorn in my side, and sometimes when things is a thorn in your side, they finally grew in much more. And since my hair grew in much more, it's just I'm having a lot of problems with keeping this in here and everything. So come back, guys. I'll show you how I combine them. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm just going to wet it really, really good. I'm going to interlock the two roots together, like just like I'm interlocking, and then I'm going to go in and twist them. Okay, so stay tuned to that end result. So again, for best results, make sure your locks is really, really wet. But yeah, like I said, it has been a thorn in my side. You see how much thinner this one is, and then it get thick down at the bottom. It's just too much. So I'm just about to, again, combine both of them. And like I said, do this on wet hair. And I'm going to act like I am. And forget the way I look, because I wasn't going to get this on video, but I figure I know some people out there that's having problems with their locks. You see that? I refuse to keep that just so thinner like that. But I know it's a lot of people out there having problems with their hairline. Because like I said, unfortunately, my hairline was so thin, guys, when I first started. And now they grew back. So what you do, guys, is you decide on, I got to hurry up, because I got clients to do, but which one is better? Place your lock where you want it to be. And then I see that this one, I'm going to let this one go inside here because I like how strong this one is. I'm just going to just take it through, just like I'm interlocking. You see how I did that? Just took it through. And now they are merged together, which is a good thing. Okay, and I'm going to wet it just a little bit. And like I said, if you want to, you can and just kind of twist it where you want it to go. And I want to make sure I'm doing right. See, I'm just doing two strand twists. This is how I started my locks, and this is how I am going to try to merge them, because I'm just tired of every day just getting up having problems with that particular lock. And unfortunately, I can't do one side without the other. And I'm twisting it really tight. And like if you guys follow me, you know that I started my locks with two strand twists. And just twist it really tight. And make sure it's wet, because all this down here, this is my hair. So like I said, I just kind of had to fix this like a couple times, and I add just a real little bit of weave. I didn't want to, but I had to, guys, because it was like almost coming off. So all I'm doing is just twisting it, and it's going to take a while to turn into a lock, which is okay. I don't mind, like for real. I don't mind. I'd rather have this nice thick lock and a nice thick base than a little bitty not thick base. And so what I'm going to do is I twist it all up. I'm going to take my rubber band and I'm going down the lock so it would not come undone. And you don't got to make it super tight because you don't want to have no imprint. I'm going to go in and do this side. Always whatever you do to one side, do to the other side. And then what I'm going to do, guys, I got that little end. Y'all see I use a rubber band, but I'm going to go in and just instant lock them in so they can stay in there. There we go. One lock, and then eventually it will merge into one. And see, I got a nice foundation. I could just go in and interlock when needed, because you know I retwist and interlock. And now I am combining the other side. Because like I said, if you do something to one side, you have to do it to the other side because it's not going to look right. I'm telling you already off top. There we go. Now we have two nice secure locks that I feel confident with. And if you want, like I said, you don't have to put the rubber band, but I am because I don't want it to come undone. Now what I did was I twisted it like I showed you guys, and now I'm going in and just using my crochet hook and kind of doing the instant lock method. And this most definitely combine your locks seamlessly. And I put rubber bands on them so it'd be easier for me to do it. And then you just take the rubber bands off because it's easier to me when it's combined with the rubber bands, and then go in and just, see, here we go. See how seamless that is? And then over time, you won't even be able to tell it's a twist or anything. So again, guys, just me showing you how to be able, and I like to use this type of hook, the double hook, how to combine your locks seamlessly. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Take care, be blessed, and there we go. And I'm about to do the other side seamlessly. Okay, bye.